Oregon funds PFAS biosolids study in agriculture. Oregon has enacted a new law directing Oregon State University to conduct a comprehensive study on per and polyfluoroalkyl substances, PFAS, in biosolids applied to farmland. The measure, signed into law on July 17, 2025, allocates $410,000 in state funding and takes effect immediately. The study will focus on PFAS contamination in biosolids used as soil amendments on fields that do not produce crops for human consumption. Researchers from OSU's Extension Service and College of Agricultural Sciences will collaborate with the Oregon Department of Environmental Quality, DEQ, and wastewater treatment providers, too. Measure PFAS concentrations in biosolids from treatment facilities statewide. Analyze PFAS levels in soil where these biosolids have been applied, as well as in nearby untreated fields. Determine how PFAS are retained in or leached from soil. Test PFAS concentrations in non-food crops grown on biosolid-treated land. PFAS contamination is a growing concern for both environmental and agricultural health, said Repever Courtney Neron, one of the bill's sponsors, in legislative discussions. This study will provide critical data to inform science-based policies and protect Oregon's land and water resources. Privacy and participation. The program is voluntary for wastewater providers, farmers, and landowners, with safeguards to protect privacy. The study will avoid publishing precise locations of fields or treatment facilities, instead reporting aggregated data. A progress report is due to Oregon's agriculture committees by December 15, 2026, with a final report due by September 1, 2028. The final report will include PFAS concentration data, soil and crop analysis, and comparisons with published literature to place Oregon's findings in a national and global context. Broader context. PFAS, often called forever chemicals, are synthetic compounds widely used in industrial processes and consumer products since the 1940s. They persist in the environment and have been linked to health issues, including cancer, immune suppression, and developmental problems. Recent studies have found PFAS contamination in agricultural soils where biosolids are applied, prompting growing regulatory scrutiny across the U.S. Oregon's initiative follows similar efforts in states like Maine and Michigan, which have tightened controls on biosolid use after detecting PFAS in farmland and water supplies. You've been listening to Sustainability Soundbites from E+E Leader. Thanks for being a loyal listener. To inquire about brand partnership opportunities, reach out to a member of our team today.